I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to mine copper Valheim, easy method. Start by traveling to mountain and coastal areas, scanning cliffs for greenish veins and mapping each find immediately. Clear trees and create a flat path to avoid falls while mining. Bring a stone pickaxe and some food to regenerate stamina while you chip away. Work in short bursts and stash ore at a nearby base for safety. Choose the right tools and upgrades before you dig. Start with a stone pickaxe and plan to upgrade to bronze for faster extraction and less stamina drain. Equip a simple shield to block environmental threats and wear light armor so you can move quickly on cliffs. Bring high stamina food to keep swinging and craft a cart or bag to haul ore back to base without wasting trips. Work efficiently to maximize copper per trip. Mine veins from top to bottom to prevent accidental falls and expose more ore blocks cleanly. If enemies appear, pull them away and finish your node before engaging to avoid losing progress. Smelt ore in batches at a nearby forge to save time and coal, and store ingots in labeled chests so you always know what you have for crafting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.